So before proceeding, important things to understand: double bottom, sideway consolidation, and now almost at the break of the resistance level and filling of this important gap. So that is one to note. Second important thing, trading in a good uptrend with a kind of if you can draw a trend line by moving averages or all those stuff, you can find that it's taking support at the lower angles and rising up. Now just for this quick analysis, what we have to understand: first, as you know, this is daily chart. So here Nifty had given a good consolidation, this particular zone. What happened is 10700 10750 mark was a support. Nifty given a fake down move with why fake? Because as of now what I see is, this particular thing suggests me that it was a complete fake move, and Nifty just trick all the sellers and almost kill them, because here important thing, open equal to low. So all these sellers are now what, stuck. So this is why I'm saying that it was kind of fake up down move. This particular move, if I see, it was a fake down move. What to understand now? So on the down move, 10500 10550 mark, okay, will act as what, strong base for Nifty for days to come. That is one. 10700 temporary immediate support. I still say temporary because this open equal to low and all those stuff may trick some just to attract or I will say remove the light-hearted bulls from the game. It may again try to show a down move. All those stuff might add up ahead later, but looking at current scenario, this if I see right now, this 10700 10700 mark, where it opened yesterday, this will act as one of the temporary important support zone, right? Because it was the prior support which broken out. Nifty given the down move, tricked the sellers and went ahead and closed at the high point of the day, right? So now what should be done? Okay, so here we do not have much data. So before data, we have to go where? On the weekly frame. Okay, so we are here in the weekly chart. So what does weekly chart suggest us? Okay, weekly chart uptrend, right? Second, it is closing on if you can see the previous week high, of course, high point of the day, and the previous week highs as well, after what, a very large wick. So on weekly frame, this wick is clearly indicating a lot of shorts are stuck in the game, and Nifty has finally almost filled up this gap. So 986, this particular zone, Nifty had a gap which it had to fill, and it almost filled it now finally. On the up move, the important point that comes here is 11200 mark. So roughly 11150 to 11200 mark is something now the major next stop for Nifty should be. And this I speak at like on the basis of chart and price action. 11200 11250 should be ideally the next juncture for Nifty. On the down move, let's say if things reverses out, what could happen? So max to max, it should ideally retest the zone of 10700 10650 kind of on the down move, while the major support, as we have seen, the open equal to low, of course, should act. But in case if it breaches, then you can take the trade, or on that basis you can what are the condition, what are the news flow, on that basis one should analyze and think. But I don't see 10700 mark getting breached on closing basis now, and if that does, another 200 point down move, we have a rock bottom support. So that is clear. So uptrend is there, no need to unnecessarily short the market as long as 10500 mark is there. So the major weakness in the market only below this particular zone, that is case 1. And when shorting is an art, So you cannot just short everything and at any time. So there is a timing. The major resistance comes at 11,200. If that breaches out, 11,400 mark is open as well. So if I am like, you know, more towards shorting the market, I would look ideally in the zone of 11,200 to 11,400 zone, where I am very much comfortable in my short position, and then that is where I can see a good amount of possibility in my side. Should I go long here? Well, it depends on personal appetite, because you know, either better wait for the correction up to 10,700 kind of zone, 10,750 kind of zone, where my buffer is, you know, good amount of buffer I have, like okay, 150-60 point stop loss and minimum target of, let's say, 400 to 500 points. So there risk about suits out. Just entering the trend right now doesn't help. So better sometimes it's good to wait and watch and let the things go. Why I'm saying, you know, more biased towards long? Because these particular guys who are now stuck, you know, their hope, if let's say I get stuck in this particular zone, what I should do? Either I might have cut my position yesterday, or second important thing, I might have hope for something miracle or something good, you know, should happen, something bad should happen, so on Saturday, Sunday, so that would take the market lower. What can be one thing is the HDFC Bank factor. So HDFC Bank result, if they you know, doesn't so called street estimate, पता नहीं कौन करता है estimates वगैरह, I don't know, but जो भी है वो street estimate etc उनको beat नहीं करता है and all those stuff. So that will give them some sort of relief, and they will try to, you know, exit their short position in this zone. If I had been in that place, I would have, you know, tried to book my shorts in the zone of 11,600, 680, 700 zone if the market falls. So just as a safe exit. And when these guys exit, what will happen is, a seller क्या बनेगा, buyer. So seller becomes